All right. What's good? Hello, y'all beautiful people. You beautiful people in the chat. What's good with you? Love to see it. We're back. Another day, another dollar. We're doing it. Let me holla at you. Holla. Holla. Right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here. Right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now. Well. We meet again. We're back here, doing it again, at the BDH. Feeling good, looking good. You know how we do. You know, it's the same old shit, man. Same shit, different day, baby. We wake up, we piss excellence, and then we go back to sleep. It's that simple. I'm telling you. You don't believe me, but I'm telling you, it's the truth. I gotta fix something real quick. Hold on, chat. Little Nasdaq. I don't know what I will do without you. Right now, the Nasdaq pushing up here off that 300 level, 21,300, up there to the 330s now. What will happen next? The $1 million question. Do we go up? Do we go down? Is today the day that we just continue to go higher? It's Thursday. Thirsty Thursdays. I'm thirsty. Y'all thirsty? Thirsty. All right. We had it looks like initial jobless claims report this morning. Initial jobless claims coming out this morning. The Nasdaq bouncing there off the 21,240s. We are actually still below the gap. Yesterday's close up there around that 21,400 level. So little push with that news this morning coming out. Nasdaq ripping up there. I guess we got Powell speaking here today as well, so. Daddy Powell speaking. Right there, VWAP right now is at this area here on the Nasdaq, so we're kind of like right below the VWAP here, 21,305 or so for the Nasdaq VWAP right now. And that 15-minute chart pulling back here into that previous resistance, this 300 level. Will we hold support there? Will we rip? Will we go down? Will we go up? Which one? Which way? Which way, chat? Pat, say hi to my wife, Riggs. Your wife's name is Riggs? Rigsby? Riggs? Interesting. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here into the 280s. And we're getting fired up here from opening for the open here. Getting fired up, getting ready. And right now, we got plenty of time till market opens. We're early. I'm heading to Iceland. That's right, Iceland. I heard there's not a lot of ice in Iceland, but I'm going to Iceland. Going to Iceland tomorrow, or tonight, actually. We're leaving Fort Lauderdale tonight, and then we'll end up in Iceland tomorrow morning. So, exciting. So much to be excited about, so much. What platform do I use with Apex? Oh, well, I mean, Tradeovate, baby. Got some big sellers popping up here on the Nasdaq right now. The 86 level. Hourly chart, we got below basically yesterday's lows. Kind of got below this Tuesday support here. Will this be the bear flag to the downside to start pulling back here in the market? Or are we just going higher? How long is the flight? We fly, I think it's like 3 or 3 hours to JFK from Fort Lauderdale, and then just like 5 hours from there over to Iceland. Not too crazy. Nothing too crazy, you know. Nothing too crazy. Powell is done speaking. All right. Right on the hourly chart, that 280 area holding up for now. Kind of moving down there. Little doji there on the hourly chart for now. Dojis. 602 orders sitting at 330. Ooh. Be careful in the airport. Why? What's in the airport? They got secrets in the airport? Patrick, be careful in that airport. It's scary out there. All right, as we kind of go into open here, just seeing what's going on. We got some pivot points holding up there at a pivot point right now, the 280, 279s. PW, are you going to go to EDC Las Vegas? No, I'm going to Iceland. Did I not just say that? I'm like, I'm going to Iceland. He's like, are you going to EDC in Vegas? No. No, sir. No, sir. All right, Nasdaq. Right there at that pivot point for now. We get through that pivot point. Maybe we see that London low down there. London low, 21,190 area. We'll see what happens. London low. We've got the London low. What's up, early bird? What's up with you? Just hanging out here, waiting and watching. Getting ready for market open here. We got plenty of time. Bigger picture right now. Hourly chart kind of looking a little bearish here, but this market has just been straight up the last few days. It's hard to be bearish, but at some point, right? It's got to pull back at some point, right? 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 Right now, the ES, the Nasdaq, everything kind of pulling back here into open. We've got yesterday's close, that dotted line to the upside there, 390s. 21,390 to the upside there. And just getting ready for market open up. Not even 9 o'clock yet. Holding up there at that pivot point again, 278, 280 area. Trades by Slade. We saw the other day it doesn't have to pull back. No, you're right. You're right. You're not wrong. You're right. You're right. But maybe it does. Pretty much that 21,300 level will probably be key level here at open. If we can get back above that 300 level, see what happens from there. But right now, just kind of stuck below 300s. Trying to see if it's going to be a big bear flag here on the hourly chart there. Got a pivot point to the downside, 21,070 area there on the hourly chart. 15-minute chart, you got a pivot point right there where we are right now. But if we get below there, that next pivot point's 166s. The London low down there at the 96s. Let's see what happens. Right now, just holding up there at that pivot point, 280 pivot point. We had the news come out this morning. We had 8:30 news this morning from the 240s up there to the 320s. Kind of holding there for now at that pivot. If we get above that 300 level, could get a little pushy push. I see Chad Cobra wanting that push above the 300s, but right now staying below that 300 level. We'll see what happens. We got any more news today? Got a little bit of news. Looks like 9:15. Got some Fed chairman speaking later as well. So 10 o'clock business inventory news. Adam P said no chance that it goes up. Well, about that, Adam P. About that. There is always a chance. There is never not a chance. Getting real tight here at this 290, 280 level. Going sideways here at this pivot point. We'll see what happens at 9 o'clock. We're like right there below that VWAP for now. Hourly chart here. The bulls got to get back above that VWAP there. Overnight right now. Nasdaq just kind of holding on there, 280s. If we lose this 280 level, should start selling down, but Tricky. Just kind of holding right there. Holding. Hold on. Held the 280s there for now and pushing up. So let's see what happens. Taking this long, try to get above that 90 area. See if we get that push. Got to get that push straight up there to the through the 300s there next. It's got to get through the 300s there. Getting real tight there at the 293, 290s. Good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. How you doing? Nasdaq just cannot get through that 290, 300 area for now, but got plenty of time here till market opens up. 17 minutes till market open. We're right there below the VWAP for now. Right below the VWAP there. Trying to get that little push up there to the 300s. A little push up there to the 300s. All right, there's the VWAP. There's the VWAP. We've got the gap from yesterday. 21,392 up there. 21,393, 392. Take a look here at the ES right now. ES kind of looking the same. Actually, this is the Nasdaq. Which chart is this? This is supposed to be the ES. ES. What the fuck? I don't even know why that's on there. There's that VWAP now on the Nasdaq pushing up there. I go to Iceland tonight. We're leaving for Iceland tonight. My flight is tonight, not the morning. So I'm able to stream today, and then I'll be back. I'll be gone for till next Thursday. Next Thursday, I believe. Let me see. I think it's next Thursday is when I get back. No trading in Iceland. I'm going to try not to. Ideally, I don't want to trade, but I might mess around, you know. You never know, but I prefer not to trade, if possible. Yeah, I get back. I'll be back next Thursday. Back on the live stream, but... So you better get what you can today from me, because I won't be back. Getting ready here. Market is right now holding below yesterday's close. Well, about 40 Wait. About 50 points, 100 points below yesterday's close for now, going into open. We got a little bit of news later on, but we had the news this morning already, so we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. That's all we're gonna do. We're gonna look, sit back here, and we're gonna see. Just trying to push up there through the 300s now, though. $21,300 pushing up there. Are you okay with Ruben? Yeah, I think so. Are you okay with Ruben? What the fuck? Nothing happened with Ruben. What the fuck? What are you talking about? I don't even know what the chat's talking about right now. There's that push up there through the 300s now. Nasdaq pushing 21,300. We had this kind of double top up there, 26s. We got a pivot point to the upside, 349s. Someone said, is it not a bear flag anymore? Well, I mean, hourly still is a bear flag. If we get back above, you know, that 330, 350 area, start to push up, well then, 455 next. Am I trading on Apex? Yes. Trading on Apex, trading on Take Profit Trader, trading on Tradeify. We trade on everything, baby. Ain't nothing gonna stop me. Oh, look at that. Pushing, baby. Oh, she's a pusher. Going for a high of day, looks like. Or not high of day, but that 320, 330 level. Someone says, isn't it a bit risky to trade today? I don't think it's any more riskier than any other day. Do I think we will fill the gap from yesterday's close? Your guess is as good as mine, you know? Your guess is as good as mine, honestly. If I knew if we were going to close the gap or not, I would be a lot richer. Watching from South Africa. Hey. Someone says we already filled the gap last night. Well, that's not really... The overnight gap fill does not really count. It only matters about when the market actually opens. Because there's not a lot of volume overnight, so... Watching from Pakistan. Ooh. Everybody's worldwide here. Gotta get my TV working here. All right. Just sitting back here, waiting and watching. Yo, Patrick, get a track hawk. Okay. BRB. Go buy a track hawk. Have you heard of a seakeeper for your boat? Brent, can I ask you a question? Brent, can I ask you a question? Brent, can I ask you a question? Do I look fucking retarded, Brent? No offense. But yes, I will have a seakeeper on my boat. Every idea, every item, everything that you could ever think of with fishing, I've already thought about it. You know, this is my life. I live, I breathe fishing. When it comes to boats, I know everything. Nutty Bar next week, that might be a good option. Patrick, you getting a Robalo? Yeah, bro. I'm getting a Robalo. Will you have motors on your boat? No. I got some big paddles. It's gonna be hand paddled. Or feet paddled. You're gonna paddle with your feet. Oars. Boats and hoes. The hoes do the paddling. All right, well, Nasdaq. What has been the biggest fish that you've ever got? I don't know, 500 pounds? Zach, are you trolling me right now? Are you fucking trolling me, Zach? Telling me to buy a Robalo? Dude, come on. Are you serious? Michael, you'll pay for the gas. Let's go fishing. Well, it costs about $1,800 to fill the boat up. So are you good? You good with that? You can afford that? Intrepid is the boat that you need. Where do you guys come up with this shit at? Where do y'all come up with this at? How long does a tank last? It lasts as long as you drive it. I don't know. I'm not going fishing in Iceland. God. All right, let's focus on the markets, people. We got 15 minutes here till market opens, right? No more fishing stuff. We took out the kind of like yesterday's low already. We took out you know, Tuesday's little bit of support there. We pulled back all the way down here. We had a little bit of news this morning. It popped us back up. So now the question is, do we fill the gap? That 390 is the close from yesterday. We got a pivot point to the upside, that 21,400 area, key level. Do the bulls continue to push? Or do we go down? The $1 million question, my friends. Let's see what the chat thinks. Up or down today, chat? Up or down? What do we got? Up or down today? Sideways. Down at open, then up. Down, down, down. Up and then down. Up, then drop. Range day. Well, so many options, so little time. Right now, we're sitting there below the VWAP, right at the VWAP now. We got to get above this VWAP, obviously. 21,300 level, trying to push. Stuck there at the VWAP for now. $21,300, kind of that key level. We talked about it earlier. Will that hold into open? Will that hold into open? The $1 million question. We're live at the BDH. Getting it going here. All right, all right, all right. Right now, the poll, 54% up, 46% down. Good Lord. It's time to party. Patrick, does Tradeify allow TradingView integration? Yes, it does. Everybody in the chat talking about chop. Oh, God, don't say that. Don't say that, chat. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. Blow it up. We got that. Get that like button going here. We got 290 likes, 3,000 people watching. What's up? What's up? What's up, chat? What's up? All right, that 21,300 level holding us here. Holding us here. Hey, Victor Ramirez, this guy ever take trades or just farming? Yeah, go fuck yourself. The market's not even open yet, you dumb motherfucker. God, I swear to God, not today, chat, not today. Does Patrick ever take trades or does he just sit here? God. I can't. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba. 5-minute chart right now, just holding up there 290s or so. Got about 7 minutes here till market opens. 7 minutes, sitting back, waiting, watching, looking for opportunity here. Can we get a move? 21,300. 21,300. This kind of looks like this could be the rip up here at open. So let's see. VWAP right now, very clear. VWAP sitting there, that white line at that 300 level. If we get above the VWAP, we got yesterday's gap close. 393 is yesterday's gap to fill that gap, to close the gap from yesterday, right? So we closed yesterday there at the 390s. Right now, the market below those levels. Will that act as a magnet and push us back up? Will this bear flag play out? We got a bear flag there kind of right now. If we get below, kind of below here, 240s to the downside, there's potential there. So just sitting back here waiting, watching, getting ready for a market open. It's time. It's time to celebrate. To celebrate. To celebrate. To celebrate. It's the time. Do a little relaxing, little yoga. We good? Oh God. Ugh. Ugh. Gotta stretch it out. Stretch it out. A little jumping jack. Oh. All right. All right. 21,300, kind of that key level here. Holding up for now. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. All right, we got about two minutes here. 3 minutes till market opens. 3 minutes till market opens. The high, like, look at this thing right now. If we get above 310, I'm long at open. And I'm just gonna go rip up there to the 350s. I don't know. Maybe. The DAX and the FTSE right now are green on the day. John said, go in for the long, Pat. Let's see you have the guts. Ugh. Is that a challenge? Did you just challenge me, bro? Are you saying that I don't have the guts to go long? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying to me, boy? You saying I didn't got the guts? Boy, you don't even know. I'm not in Iceland yet. I'll be in Iceland tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be in Iceland, so I will not be here on the live stream with you fuckers. So just relax. All right, we're looking to see if we get that push above the 310 area here at open, and then possibly just rip up, take out this high at the 30s. There's that pivot point at the 350s. So got about a minute till open. See what happens. What does it say? Stream offline. Stream back on. Am I back? We're back. Refresh. All right, Nasdaq dipped down there, 295s. Watching that 310 level here for a possible long. Right there below the VWAP for now. That's fine. Let it chop around here. If we get below that pivot point here, we'd be in trouble. But right now, just being patient. So far, dipped down there 280s. The high of that candle was 308, so still no trade here yet. Nice little bounce there off the 280s now. Will this candle want to flip? Got to hold that pivot point there, 280s. Trouble for now. ES is pushing to the upside right now. Nasdaq's holding here. If we can get going. Kind of looking for a long right here. Let's see if we can get it. Straight up there now. I'll be looking for like 320s or so. $317 should be pretty easy. Oh, it's so close. It's going to hit me right here. Hit me. Hit me, Nasdaq. Hit me! Where did John go? Where did John go? Where did John go? Hey, chat, where did John go? Where did John go, chat? What happened to John? Where'd he go, John? Where did John go? John said I didn't have the balls. He said I didn't have the balls to put a trade on at open. What happened? What happened? Patrick didn't have the balls. He doesn't have the balls to put on a trade. Patrick doesn't have the balls. The balls. I guess I have the balls. The balls. I got so many big balls. Where's my balls at? The balls. Where did you get in and out? Are you fucking serious? Is this are you fucking dumb? Did somebody in the chat literally just say, Patrick, where did you get in and get out? Did they just say that? Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious? How fucking stupid can one person be? Patrick, where did you buy and sell at? I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God, chat. I cannot deal with this anymore. I literally showed the whole trade. I bought and I sold. How did you not see that? I'm confused. Like, how did the chat not see that? Did I not show it? Did I not put it on the screen? I literally showed the whole thing. I literally showed it. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm confused, chat. You don't verbalize it. What the fuck? I showed it. I swear to fucking God. This is insanity right now. Like, I don't even like trading anymore. I don't even like it. I don't even like this. I don't even like it. I hate trading now because it sucks. It's not even fun anymore. Trading used to be fun, but it's like not even fun anymore. You know, like it's not even fun for me. Like I'm up $20,000 and I'm not even happy. You know? I'm not even happy. Like, y'all ruined it. The bad people in the chat ruined it. Y'all ruined it. Chat literally ruined it. I'm so ready for a vacation. I might not even come back, honestly. I might just like go to fucking Iceland and then never come back. You know, that might be the best idea, honestly. Just go to Iceland and just never come back. You know? I don't know. I really don't know. All right, Nasdaq dumping back down here now. Got stuck up there at the 330, 340s. We're back down there to the 300s now. You gotta love that. Good time to be patient here now. Let this play out. We just bounced off that trend line there, right back up. Could start selling through the 300s there pretty quickly. Just needs to figure it out there. Right there at the 300s now. That's right where the VWAP's at, by the way. VWAP's right at 300s. Holding up at the VWAP for now. Right back up there. Let's see if we can push all the way up to that 350 area now. They bounced it right off that 300s again. Back up there, 320, 330s. Five-minute chart, you got that gap fill. 392 is the gap fill, that dotted line to the upside there. Trouble there again, kind of putting in that lower high on the smaller time frames, but looking real tight here. There's a pivot point there, 280, and then the London low is all the way down there at the 195s, so key level here, 21,300. You got the 15-minute range coming up here in about 5 minutes. A little bit of selling pressure coming in here. If that pivot point gives up that pivot point, there's trouble. 250s down there pretty quickly. There's that 280 pivot point now. We got stuck at the VWAP, by the way. Look at that VWAP holding us down. So back below 280s. We're below the VWAP right now. This is the hourly chart. So it's kind of like 230, 200 to the downside if this hourly candle starts to rip to the downside there. Right there at that pivot point now as well. ES is holding up. Nasdaq's holding up. Right there at that pivot again. Holding that 300 level. We're right there at that fucking VWAP now. Will that VWAP just act as resistance here and send us lower? Do we get back above it? Choppy open so far. We're right there. 300 again, pushing. Very choppy right here. Still stuck below that 300, that VWAP acting as resistance for now. Whole market getting real tight. ES is kind of holding up a little better right now. ES is holding up a little better. ES is like starting to push back up here now towards the highs again. I mean, if we can start pushing through here, that gap fill is not far away. 393 is yesterday's close to the upside there, so. We got our 15-minute range coming up here. ES is pushing. Nasdaq's pushing. They're through the up to the 320s right now, trying to push. So, just right now, got to get out of this opening range. Get out of the opening range, look for a move. Nasdaq's right there at the fucking VWAP now. Right there at the VWAP. Tight. It's so freaking tight. ES is really holding up there as well. There's the middle of that 15-minute range now set. Back down again after that VWAP area. Just chopping right here. To retest that pivot point. She's moving to the downside hard. Breaking that opening range so far. That next low is like that 36 level. They had some news, I guess. We got that bigger bear flag on the higher time frames playing out right now. Let's see if that's that data low. That data candle came out there. The job report or whatever it was came out. Should keep moving down here now. All right, we got the 15-minute range break. Little, kind of another little bear flag. If we get through that 60 area, kind of like there's this 40, 30 area right there to get to. And then this level, so. Moving down. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. We bounced right off that 50% of the opening range there. The 50% mark. That first, that one target there. Or the one on the chart you see. Little retest of that orb level. Need a little, I think maybe more push up into there before. Need a little bit more push up before going lower here now. A little push up there, 270s. Stuck below the opening range for now. If we lose, if we lose that, there's that 60 area now. That was too quick. Too quick of a bounce on that 60s. Let's see if they're gonna bounce this back up now. It's right there. Looking a little trappy down here, but for the Bears, at least. Back up there to the 80s now. That pivot point again. Chop, chop, chopping. That was that, like, that 60 little dip there, and then that rip right back up. Kind of was like, uh-oh, that's not good. Look at this thing. There's that push. Now we need to see, like, does this end up being a lower high, or do we start kind of going for that squeeze back up here now? What level do I want to step in? Well, just kind of waiting here. We got a little bit of 10 o'clock news coming out. Basically, this like this 21,300 area needs to be resistance. And then like get back down into here, but Patrick, are you trading today? Yes. I am trading today. Trust me, guys, if I see something good, I'm going to let you know. If I don't see something good, I'm not going to fucking trade it. If I'm sitting in front of the fucking computer, I'm trading. You know what I mean? Like, that's what I'm doing. Like, we're here trading, but we're not just fucking getting in on every little candle. There's that push back up through the middle. So, like I said, kind of invalidating this lower high now. So let's see if we start to push back up here. We're right there at the VWAP again. We're right there at the VWAP, that 300 level. Do the bulls have it in them to get through the VWAP? We got news coming out here in about 6 minutes. We're right there in the middle of the 15-minute range again, so. Just letting it play out. We know that there to the upside, there's that gap fill potential. 390 area is the gap fill from yesterday. If you're wondering about the numbers, go to onlyprofirms.com. Onlyprofirms.com. Check it out. Get the best deals always. Look at the news calendar right there, right? You can see 10 o'clock. There's some business news coming out. You toggle important to not so important. It's not like big news, but it's still news. Something to think about, to look at. See what's going on. Right now, the market just kind of chopping around there. You can check out the prop firm comparison tool. See what prop firm's the best deals always. Like right now, the cheapest deal in the industry, if you're a new customer, is the My Funded Futures 50K account at 50% off with no activation fee. It's literally $48 for a brand new customer. Funded Futures Network is BOGO, buy one, get one, 50% off, which is also seems very, very extremely cheap. Yeah, we got a lot of evals that are under $100. Tradeify, My Funded Futures, and yeah, that's kind of the setup right now. Check out the onlyprofirms.com website to get the best deals on all the latest and greatest fun stuff. We got new stuff coming up there on the website as well. Right now, the Nasdaq, there's that push back up. Oh, Lord. We got news here, 3 minutes. So, well, let's see. Right now, just holding up there. 300s again. No clear direction once again. It's another day of this bullshit. It's another day of this bullshit. 15-minute candle all the way down there, right back up. You gotta love it. Don't we love trading so much? I love trading. You love trading. We all love trading. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, now it is like, do we start to dump through here? We put in a lower high there, but now we got to wonder, is this going to be a high or low? That pivot point right there. We're so close to the VWAP as well. The ES is like kind of looking the same exact thing. The ES is a little bit better looking. Like the ES is kind of like up here, right? So if you look at the ES right now, ES looks a little bit more like it wants to go like this, where the Nasdaq's just poo-poo. So kind of watching here on the ES to see what it wants to do. So ES is like right there trying to get through that opening range high. It broke the downside right back there into the middle. ES, Nasdaq battling here. The bulls, the bears. Which way will we go? At what point will you open a trade? I have no fucking idea. I might not open any more trades today, to be honest. I traded right at open. I made $5,000 live right in front of everybody. And then I have no idea when's the next trade. I do not trade based on time. I do not trade based on any factor other than just being a good setup. That's the only thing that I'm looking for. If there's a good setup, I will trade. If there is no good setup, I will not trade it, people. Come on, guys. Patrick, when are you going to put a trade on? When? You know? The stream did not drop at open. Why do you keep seeing your network stats? What the fuck is he talking about? My network stats. God. I mean, Nasdaq right now is just kind of holding up here 300s. There's a little bit of news coming out 10 o'clock. That 10 o'clock candle. ES already kind of pushed right up there to the 15-minute high now. Nasdaq's holding on here, 21,300s as well. I think we're gonna go. I think we're pushing. Push for the opening range high at least. Well, there's that push to the opening range high, I guess. I mean, just for anybody that's paying attention, look at that. The ES ripping now, the Nasdaq ripping here. Look at that, Nasdaq up there through the opening range high now. That pivot point there at the 350s. After that, you got 370. You got that 390 there. So we are now pushing off that VWAP. Above the VWAP here, 340, 350s. You gotta love it. Bow, now, now. All right, let's see if we get a little bit of a bull flag type setup here at the highs now. All right, we pushed up there to the opening range high for now. Market loves to do this kind of shit. Kind of watching that 340 area here. I'm looking for a long above 340s, maybe like a little, maybe we can kind of like get up through that pivot point, turn that pivot point into support would be ideal. Just hard to get long like right here, then go right into that pivot. So that would be what I'm looking for if I'm looking for a long here. Bigger time frames, if you look at the hourly chart, just need to like get through that 340, 350 area. We kind of did, we did the El Chapo move, right? We took that liquidity above that 340 candle, above this candle. So now the question is, where do we go from there? The El Chapo. 340 is trying to push. ES, the Nasdaq, both holding up here. ES is above the opening range high so far. Right? ES is above opening range high, so... Nasdaq's trying to push. See if we can get above 340s here. Kind of what I'm looking for. Just like some type, a little bit. Maybe we dip down one more time and then kind of build out this flag. All right. Getting real tight there. Basically, I was looking for the candles to get above these little two candles, and then we go for the long. For the long. Just waiting right now. Looking for a long above the high of these two candles. Basically, like the first candle make a new high through this. Still not gotten above those highs, so no reason to get long. Just waiting. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go, and then we can always just stay out of it. So that's the best thing about it. And yeah, working its way back to the middle of the opening range now. So just kind of being patient. Let this play out. VWAP's like down at the 300 level. Little pullback here on the ES as well. Pulling back into the 15-minute opening range. There's the dip. Good thing we did not get long up there. Playing it safe. Pulling back hard. All the way down there to the 280s now. Bottom of that opening range again. Da-da-da-da-da-da. More chop again today. All right, so now I pretty much I just wouldn't put a trade on until something happens here on that 5-minute chart. There's your 5-minute range, just kind of the range that we're in right now, man. I don't know why the stream keeps going in and out. We're back again. All right, so the Nasdaq, we're in the middle of that 15-minute range again. Or at the bottom of it right now. I will not be in Iceland. I mean, I will not be trading in Iceland. No trading. I'm taking a vacation, boys. Nasdaq right now, 21,000. Just gonna sit here all day. Right at the VWAP again. It's right there, 21,300 holding up for now. It's painful. Ta-da. Ya-da-da-dee-dee-dee. What's crazy is, like, even since 8:30, 8 a.m., we've just 7:30, we've just been in this range chopping. Just chop city here. Trouble there at the 300s. This market is cooked. Someone in the chat said, Patrick, the market's going down. It's not fucking moving. The market is not moving. What do you mean it's going down? Like, what does that even mean? Market's going down. How is it going down? It's not moving. Everybody in the chat, guys, there is nothing to do here. There's nothing to do. Look at the 15-minute chart. There is nothing to do. Like, not only do I have to fucking deal with the chop, but then I gotta deal with the chat being like, but Patrick, Why don't you put a trade on, Patrick? Do something. The market's going up. It's moving, Patrick. Look at the market. It's moving, Patrick. Look, it's going down, Patrick. It's going down. Patrick, oh my God, look, it's going down. Now it's going up. Oh, it's going down again. Living the grumpy life, got the BDH shirt. Let's go. What happened? I thought the guy in the chat said, Patrick, go short, it's going down. But it went up. What happened? Back up to the top of the 15-minute range high again. Big Bauer, the more you ask about what I'm going to do, the less I'm never going to tell you. For now on, guys, I don't give a fuck. I'm not even going to, nope. I have no idea if the market's going to go up or down. So that's all I know. So you asking me every 5 minutes, every 2 minutes, what I'm going to do, what I'm going to do, what I'm going to do, I don't know. Right now, I'm not doing anything because there's nothing to do. What am I going to do? I have no idea. You know, a lot of trading is just doing nothing. I know people don't understand that, but majority of trading is just literally doing nothing. It's just sitting here doing fucking nothing. It's boring. It sucks. You hate it. But that's trading. It's literally majority of the time, all you're doing is doing nothing. You know? That's the majority of the time. It's just nothing. It's absolutely nothing. Leon, is there a level of membership that shows all your trades as they happen? No, there's not. God. Nasdaq just holding here at the 320s, going nowhere. Who's my next guest of the BDH? I don't really have anybody that comes to mind right now. I'm probably going to slow down on the guests, to be honest. The guest traders at the BDH, it's just, it's hard to trade. What we'll probably do is if I'm going to have a guest trader come, they'll come on the stream at like 10:30. Not do it at open. Do you have to pay them to come on? No. Why would I pay someone to come to the BDH? When is Rips coming? He's supposed to come in June, but not sure. Bring ICT. Well, he said October. And I will not pay ICT. SG, does your course include everything you observe? Yes. Any plans to visit Canada? No. Tory trades, yes, that's, yeah. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. I mean, now it's like, are we gonna break out here? Inverse head and shoulders, you know? It's $1 million question. Do I play the range here? Play the range, Patrick. Play the range. Pulled back there into the EMA again. See where this candle closes at. Ugh. If that candle, I would have liked to have seen more of a wick on that candle to get back up there. But we're right in the middle of that 15-minute range. The ES right now is kind of just holding up. The Nasdaq's holding up here. It's not there. Down there again to the 300s, to the VWAP one more time. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. I'm gonna try a short right here. Try to take out these lows. YOLO. We're below that EMA there nicely. Should try to sell down. But let's try it. Break through the 85s there. I'm gonna try to trail this a little bit. If we get through the 85s, moving my stop to like break even. Just got to get through 85 there. I guess I'll go break even either way. 95 stop now. Let's see if we can't get through 75s there. Oh, God. '85s, '85s, '85s. Get through the fucking '85s, you little cunt. Oh, I'm just gonna take it right there. 84s. Just to lock in 3,000 here. Can I get filled at the 84s? Wow, chat. All right, moving this stop back up here a little bit. Now we're gonna go lower here. Perfect risk management, chat. Perfect. Perfect risk management. Y'all gonna learn how to trade like a pro one day, all right? One day. Oh, Nasdaq. Stop back to break even. All right, fill me there and get me out for 3,000. Motherfuckers. God. Over it. I'm over it. I didn't have the best entry there, I'm not going to lie, but if you look at the bigger picture here, right, that 5-minute candle just ripped right through that 300 level, and there it goes. Down there at 275, so. Now we go lower. But Patrick! So. Joe said the thought of fading me was an idea. Well, why didn't you, Joe? Why'd you not fade me, Joe? Why'd you not fade me, Joe? Joe, why'd you not get long where I got short at, Joe? Hey, Joe. Are you just a little bitch? Are you just a little bitch? You tell me. Patrick, I was going to fade you, but I didn't. I didn't fade you, but I was going to. Patrick, I was going to fade you, but I didn't do it. Like, the fact that you wrote that in the chat, you know, it's just like, why didn't you do it then? You know, why did you not fade me? Oh, yeah, because you a little bitch. That's why. You a little bitch, Joe. Exactly. Exactly, Joe. You know? But Patrick, I was going to fade you. Okay. Okay, congratulations. Fade me, bro. Fade me, bro. God. Patrick, I was gonna fade you, Patrick. I was. You should have faded me. I mean, fuck. You might have made money. I don't know. Is fading frowned upon? No, Brandon. I love when people fade me because I end up winning and then they just go quiet in the chat. Patrick, I'm going to fade you. And then 5 minutes later, they disappear. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? What happened? Where'd they go? You know? Oh, I'm going to fade you. Okay, well, do it then. Don't talk about it. Fucking be about it. You know? Hey, don't talk about it. Be about it, chat. Don't talk about it. Be about it. All right, Nasdaq down here at the fucking bottom of the range here now. We've got the low from earlier down there at the 249s. Looks like sellers are being a little bit more aggressive now. Let's see what happens with this low here. It's hard to get short down here right now, but that low wanting to go. That low wants to go. Look at that candle just ripped it back up here again. Gonna drop like a coconut. That was Ruben yesterday. Ruben said the market's gonna drop like a fucking coconut. Right on your fucking head, boys. Right on your motherfucking head. Nasdaq just holding up there at the low of this range. This is that big range that we've basically been in since open. Pat, let's just set up a BDH boxing event. Pretty much, I'm thinking like me versus everybody in the VIP room. I'll put one hand behind my back as well, and I'll just fight with one hand. One hand. That would be fun. I mean, in a perfect world, this goes lower, but this Nasdaq is not a perfect world, so I think there's a better chance that we push back up, maybe. Back up there to that pivot point again at the 280s. No activation fee. Only at onlyprofirms.com. Find the best deals always. So if you want to get no activation fee right now, check out takeprofittrader.com. They got no activation fee. And I believe My Funded Futures as well. Use the code PW for the best deals always. That's right. That's right. That's right. Right now the Nasdaq is sitting there at the below the VWAP here. Nasdaq's below the VWAP. ES is in trouble. What's gonna happen? Do they take it lower? Look at that big old bear flag there on the hourly chart. Hourly chart right now holding this kind of bear flag set up there. It's just holding there, man. She's just holding there. And would you look at that? We're right back up there. Nasdaq be doing dirty things to everybody today. Be doing that dirty to everybody. You know, the Nasdaq be up, it be down. Look at that. Right back up there again. Who the fuck would have thought? You gotta love that. All right. Back into the 15-minute range once again. Back above the pivot point there. 280s. Back, back, back. Good time to go on vacation. You know what they say? Sell in May and go away. Y'all heard that before? Y'all heard that? Y'all heard that one before? Sell in May, go away. Dude, May has just been absolute dog shit. This is back there last Tuesday. Or no, this Tuesday. Yeah, this Tuesday. Since Tuesday, we've been just stuck in this range now, consolidating there. We still have that big gap to the downside from that open on Sunday night. I mean, it looks like the perfect type of like head and shoulders type thing, right? To move down here kind of thing, but... Happy birthday to Jordan. It's his birthday month. Well, fuck you, Jordan. Fuck you, Jordan. Why the fuck would you want to be born in this shitty month? All right, Nasdaq again, right back up there, baby. This set, Nasdaq doing a fucking go. Want to do. Baby Jesus. Baby Jesus. We're back there at the VWAP again. I'm thinking about maybe taking a long. If we get a little pullback here. Give me a little bull flag type setup. I hope you're gonna plan trading and teaching. Love your vibe, even if you swear a lot. Well, good thing I don't fucking teach here. And good thing I don't even trade here. I'm just fucking here to just hear myself talk. You put the rum in the coconut and drink it. I gotta sing, put the rum in the coconut. Rum in the coconut. I don't know why, but that just something about that song right now. This is the music that we need when we're trading, right? This is the music we need. Little bull flag kind of setting up here off that 300 level. We'll see if we get a little quick push. I'll just take like a quick 10 points here, just back up into that range there now. So let's see if we get a little poppity pop. And drink it all up, put the lime in the coconut. And drink it all up, put the lime in the coconut. In the coke, put the lime in the motherfucking coconut, Nasdaq. Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. The lime in the coconut and drink it all up. Put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. Put the lime in the coconut. This song is a vibe right now. Lime in the coconut and drink it all up. You put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. Put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. You put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. You put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. Put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. Woo! I told you that's all we needed, just a little bit of music. Ooh, ooh. 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 Woo! Oh, the camera keeps freezing. I'm going to the bathroom. The market's going higher. New song. Can't go to the bathroom with no music playing. What's the next one? What do we got? Oh, what do we got? What's the next good one? Another good song. Let me get some requests, chat. What do we got? Over the Rainbow. Definitely not Over the Rainbow. Oh, Nasdaq. Right back down there again. Oh, God. Ugh. Oh, that's a good one. Hey!
access to your villa. Just for son of weakness, all the clean on your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. Let's review the situation that you call the winner. To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. And if she claim her, you tell her, baby, no way.
Hey!
But she caught me on the counter.
That was me.
Saw me banging on the sofa.
Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Come on, look at that. Who gets in? Hey, who gets in at 3:04, gets out at 3:14? Who does that? Who does that? Who does that, chat? That naked banging on the bathroom door. Oh, that might have been the. I should have got long right there above that 300 break. Hey. All right, we're just holding up here at the VWAP. 1050. Action. Action, action, 1050. Right there at the VWAP now. Was it me? Was it me? Hey, it wasn't me. Hey, it wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. Hey! I don't even know what you do right here. You go long? Fuck, what? It's such a shitty chart right now. Please. Was it me? Yeah. 310 trying to go. I'm gonna try a long here. We're either gonna pop straight up there through the 20s or we're not. YOLO. That's how we do it, chat. You only live once, so put on the music and let it ride. Hold on, I got a new song now. I need a new song. I got a new song. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do.
Guys, I think I figured it out.
Oh, yeah.
He is confused.
He's confused.
But he's a retard.
He's confused.
The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused and insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there.
Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. There's a seller right there at the fucking 320s. I'm gonna get out right there. Suck it. I mean, higher. So much higher. Take me higher. So much higher.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
You're not making money.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking fun. Big drop, down. Boom, my stop. Big drop.
Hey, Honestly though, chat. On level 2. Level 2, there we go. Nasdaq going higher now. Don't tell me I never told you so. 1. We got this trade from the 96s down there to the 83s. It went lower. This trade, I took a little quick reverse. This trade from the 304s to the 318s. This trade, 307 up there to the 27. But Patrick, you never tell us when to buy. You never tell us when to sell. Patrick. You know? They're never happy. Nobody's ever happy, man. Why can't anybody be happy for me? Hey, you know the thing is, like, when I'm in a good mood, you know, when stuff is going good, we're happy. Like, I put on good trades, we all make money. You know, so like I don't understand. I don't know why people come here all butthurt and all negative. Like, you know, come here trying to win with me. You know, like I can make money, you can make money. You know, we can all make money together. Like, I don't understand it. Like, why fight me? You know, like why try to piss me off? You know, I don't get it. You know? I'm trying to help you guys. Literally. I'm over here trying to help people. And this is what I get, you know? What have I proven? $50,000 payout. Live. Dakota at Top Step has never taken a live. He doesn't make money in a live account. The money that he's withdrawn from his quote unquote live account has all come from sim profits, from XFAs. I ran up $50,000 in a live account and then took a payout. It's proof. I mean, what are you gonna say? You know? What are you gonna say? I don't get it. I just don't understand. Like, I'm literally giving people fucking gold. I'm literally handing money over on a fucking silver platter. You know? You know? You know? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Andy, are you fucking with me, Andy? Andy, are you fucking with me right now? Is Andy fucking with me in the chat? He's fucking with me. He just said, Patrick, can you show us your entries with level of membership? Bro, I literally just showed the last 3 trades. I showed the entry, the exits. What do you mean? What do you guys want? I literally showed every fucking trade. What the fuck does that mean? I'm so confused. Like, how? Like, what else could I do? What else could I don't know what else to do. I literally do not know what else to do. I was like, guys, I'm going to get long here. What did I do? I got long. I'm going to take profit there. What did I do? I take profit there. I mean, like, what else could I possibly do? I don't understand, you know, like, what else? Literally, like, what else could I do at this point? What do you mean you don't pay attention? Like, what are you doing? Like, what is somebody doing, like, right now? Like, oh, sorry, Patrick, I was watching a Pokemon. I was looking at my Pokemon cards. I didn't have time. I didn't see that you put a trade on there. You know? Like, what do you want? Patrick, what, you know? You know, like, I what else could I do? Maybe say buy here in price level? What? Hey, everybody. If I say, hey, I'm getting long, like, I need to tell you the price level? Patrick, Hey, everybody, I think I'm going to get long. The price level that I'm going to get long at is exactly the 307.25. Like, what? What? I don't even understand. Oh, God. Nasdaq's trying to push through this 340 opening range high now. There she goes, right there. If we break through 340, we could go higher, chat. Get ready. Okay, I'm long 340. I'm going to look to take quick profit here at the 343s. If I get stopped out, I suck. Okay, I'm long 40.75. Just to show everybody. I want everybody to make sure I am now long 40.75. Everybody. Everybody. Right now, I'm long. Right now. Right now, I'm long. I'm fucking long, boys. I'm so fucking long right now. I'm so fucking long. Oh, God. See, this is what happens. You did it to me, chat. Y'all fucked me. Y'all fucked me up here. Oh, God. I was long. I'm still long. I'm long, everybody. Everybody, I'm long. Might be a good time to go short. We'll see. We're gonna see here. Guys, I am so long right now. I am so long. Hey, everybody in the chat, I'm fucking super long. If I was any longer, I'd be fucking real long. Like, you couldn't get any longer than I am right now, chat. It would be impossible. I'm like the biggest and longest thing you've ever seen on the internet. You couldn't even imagine what it would be like if I was any longer than this. If I got any longer, I'd be too long. I'd be really long, you know what I mean? I'd be like the really long. You know how long, like, if you think about it, what is long? That is long. I'm long. The market's long. Oh, Inception, man. It's Inception. I'm so fucking long right now. Everybody should get short. Everybody should fade me. Go, go, go. Fade me. Fade my 2-point move. Do it. I dare you, you motherfuckers. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I'm long. I took profit, everybody. I took profit, everybody. Guys. Hey, everybody, I took profit. Hey, by the way, everybody in the chat, I'm no longer long. I shriveled up. Back to small size. No more long. Everybody should fade me. Go, go, go. Go short. Do it, do it, do it. I dare you. I fucking dare you, you fucking pussies. You motherfucking pussies. Do it. You won't do it. Who's fading me now? Who in the fuck is fading me? You're not gonna fucking fade me. All day long. All day long, these motherfuckers. I'm gonna fade you, Patrick. I'm gonna fade you. Yeah, how'd that work out for you? How'd that fucking work out? You dumb motherfuckers. Patrick, I'm gonna fade you. Patrick, I'm gonna fade you. Patrick, I'm gonna motherfucking fade you. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut it. God. Everybody shut the fuck up. Did those guys really fade me? Did they fade me, chat? Did they fade me? Are they still fading me? What happens? Should they still fade me? I'm up 20,000. What should I do? Oh my God, it hurts. Are they still fading me? Oh no. Oh no, they're fading me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. The market went up 30 points since they said they were going to fade me short. Oh no. Oh no, chat. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Chat, what am I going to do? Oh Oh no, it's still going higher. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? But they said they were gonna fade me. They said they were gonna fade me. Well, everybody's fading me right now. Everybody's just fading me right now, man. It's just a bunch of people fading me in the chat. Everybody's just trying to fade me. Will you just... Please stop. Stop fading me. Stop it. I'm gonna call the, I'm gonna tell the internet. The people in the chat are fading me. Oh my God. Oh no. They faded me. We need more water. Oh. They faded me. They faded me. I'm never gonna recover from this ever. I got faded. The chat fucking faded me, man. What am I gonna do? I mean, I just think it's fucking hilarious, honestly. Like, people in the chat, Patrick, I would have fade you. The market went up fucking 30 points since they told me they're gonna fade me. So hey, if your strategy is shorting low and covering high, congratulations, you fucking win. That was a great trade for you, wasn't it? Congratulations, hey. Fuck yeah, baby. Fuck yeah, baby. You guys are real good. I want you to keep on being so fucking good, all right? Don't ever stop fucking fading me, because clearly it's working. God. And now I'm gonna go on the fucking, now I'm going to Iceland, all right? It's over. I'm going to fucking Iceland. Fuck this place. Fuck all the people that faded me. And it's time. It is time to go. You know? It's just time to get out of here, man. You know? I'm over it. Fuck y'all later. I'll see you next week. Next Thursday, I'll be back. But hey, go ahead and fade me. Go ahead and fade me. I gonna get faded.
Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Paid on my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy for me. What I pay for some dogs, could have bought me vanilla. Take some pics on my neck, could have bought your career. Say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreign. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest. Ayy, the largest. Up in Cali, where we in the blunt. Let my little brother roll in the Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Matter of don't be asking for much. Wanna lean on the nuggets and run.
Get him talking.
The rest of they drinking a punch. Left wrist off some my head stunt. Right wrist, I just did it because 600 the label, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punch. Hey man, nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple of M's, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit I had to go do. Say I'm the biggest,
biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Oh, by the way, I'm still long. Yeah, I'm still long, motherfuckers. I mean, at this point, I'll go for the gap fill up there to the 392s, so. We still got 15 contracts left. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Hey. Oh, I gotta go. I gotta go pack up for Iceland. Like I said, I'll be back here next Thursday. We got some videos, some content coming out along the way, but hey, it's okay. For everybody in the chat that said they were gonna fade me, I'm happy. I'm happy that you faded me. Because clearly, you have no fucking idea what you're doing. You have no idea. This was a trade that I showed perfectly. Getting long there at the 340s when everybody's like, I'm gonna fade you, baby. You fucking suck. Baby, I'm gonna fucking fade you. I'm gonna fucking fade you, baby. I'm gonna motherfucking fade you, baby. So, there it is. Peace to the middle motherfucking east. I'll see y'all next Thursday. Later.
Gotta get that boom boom boom. 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 That boom boom boom. That boom boom boom. Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass on below. I got that rock and roll, that future flow, that digital spit, next level visual. I got that boom boom boom. How to beat bang.
Jacking my style, they try to copy my swagger. I'm on that next now. I'm sold 3008, you sold 2000 and late. I got that boom, 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 that future boom, boom, boom. Let me get it now.
Boom, 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 gotta get that 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 boom, 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 that boom, 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 that boom, boom, boom. I'm on that supersonic boom. Y'all hear that spaceship zoom. When I step inside the room, them girls go 8-8. Y'all stuck on super 8-8. That lo-fi stupid 8-bit. I'm on that HD flat. This beat go boom boom bap. I'm a beast when you turn me on. Into the future, Cybertron. Harder, faster, better, stronger. Sexy ladies, extra longer. Cause we gotta beat that bounce. We gotta beat that pound. We gotta beat that 808. That boom boom in your town.
People in the place, if you wanna get down, put your hands in the air. Will I am, drop the beat now.
I'll be rocking them beats. Yup, yup.